If you ever struggled to organize your tools and equipment in an easy and durable kind of way, then this might be the way to go. Well, hi friends, I'm Brian Cosby. This is Provide and Protect, and today I want to share with you why I love these Rothco mechanics tool bags. I've got two different sizes here. I've got a smaller one that's 11 inches long, and then a larger one, I think they even call it the jumbo size, that's 17.5 inches long. And they're just great. They're canvas, and they've got pockets on the outsides here. And I use these mainly for my chainsaw kind of equipment here, but you can use them for all kinds of other purposes. So again, this is the smaller one, and in this one, I just keep a bunch of chainsaw chains. But again, it's just a great little bag you can use for all kinds of purposes. It's just clean. There's not too many straps hanging out everywhere. Again, you got this little pocket up here. You can throw extra screws. It's kind of side pocket if you want to stick, some kind of screwdriver in the side. You can kind of last minute hold something. Got the same thing on the other side here. Again, same kind of pocket on the other side. But just a great overall little bag. You can just grab, take it with you, throw in your vehicle. Might be a good way to just organize your stuff in a vehicle, actually. So this is the smaller one. And here's the larger one, again, 17.5 inches long on this one. And I've just got other kinds of chainsaw kind of equipment in here. But, you can fit just quite a bit of stuff. It's got internal pockets. If you want to put some kind of screwdrivers or other kinds of things in there, you can. On both sides, it's just the same. And then, again, just like the smaller one, on the outside here, this canvas bag, you got bigger pockets over here, and then these kind of side pockets right here for other kinds of tools, pliers, whatever. So again, it's a durable canvas, cotton canvas material, and just really have enjoyed these just to keep things organized and looking pretty good and clean. Well, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you've not already done so, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate you and your support, and we'll see you on the next video.